Hi guys, Rahul Nigam here and welcome to my channel Engineers Power. In this video, I am going to tell you how to answer when an interviewer asks you, why should we hire you and not someone else? Your entire interview is an exercise trying to convince the interviewer that he or she should hire you instead of other people who have applied for the job. Sometimes you are asked this question and you have the chance to sum up everything that you want to cover in your interview in a minute or less. This question gives you a good chance to show your uniqueness, to stand out from the crowd and truly show the interviewer how you can help the company achieve their objectives. Just remember to be specific. This is important. You research the organization and the job description. So take the advantage of the knowledge to understand why the organization is hiring someone for this position. Know about the problems the new hire has to resolve. Show that you are the ideal person, so solve these problems. This is how you can answer this question. For example, as I have said earlier, my years of experience in this field is something that can truly contribute to this company's success. My sense of dedication in every task that I handle is definitely a big plus. I believe my skills and work attitude measures up to your company's standards. Now, here are the tips. Emphasize on your uniqueness, but keep it concise. Highlight your strength, skills, and accomplishments. Give an example that describes you as a quick learner. Now, what not to say? Try to avoid saying, I need a job, money, or this place is very close to where I live. Never compare your skills to others. The natural instinct to this question is we usually start comparing our skills to others when this question is put through. So, these are some of the points you have to keep in mind while answering this question. Now, please pay attention. There is a link in the description below of an ebook which contains top most asked HR interview questions with the winning answers. Go and grab this ebook. Trust me, it will really help you in all types of HR interviews. Also, write down your answer to this question in the comment section below and learn from others as well. Do like, share and comment. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get more valuable content like this. And don't forget to press the bell notification. All the best for all your interviews. Thanks for watching.